हर हर महादेव दोस्तों, आई होप कि आप लोग अच्छे होंगे, मस्त होंगे, स्वस्थ होंगे। और ये वीडियो हम डाल रहे हैं, ये हमारा एक मीटिंग यानी कि इंटरव्यू का वीडियो है, पर ये इंटरव्यू नहीं था। एक्चुअली ये जो वर्क फ्रॉम होम ऑनलाइन जॉब का आता है उस पर आया था। सो हमको पहले यही लगा, हमने पूछा भी कि सेलिंग का है, एफिलिएट मार्केटिंग का है, कुछ है। तो उन्होंने बताया नहीं कि ये कुछ बेचने का है। ये उन्होंने कहा कि नहीं, ये वर्क फ्रॉम होम है और अच्छी इंटरनेशनल कंपनी के लिए अपॉर्चुनिटी है। तो हम ये वीडियो अभी इसलिए इस पर पोस्ट कर रहे हैं कि आप जान पाए कि ऐसे सब वीडियोस में आते हैं वर्क फ्रॉम होम वगैरह ये सब, और पर जेन्युइन बहुत सारे नहीं होते। और इसीलिए हम अपना हर इंटरव्यू का वीडियो इस पर डालते हैं, ताकि आप लोग भी देखें तो आप लोग को भी समझ आए कि इतना सच और कितना झूठ होता है। तो फिर हमने वो अटेंड किया था मीटिंग, उसमें वर्क फ्रॉम होम के नाम पे वही बताया गया। फिर से निराशा यही हुई कि उसमें हर्बल प्रोडक्ट का बताया गया। हर्बल प्रोडक्ट वो जो प्रोटीन शेक वगैरह लोगों को बेचा जाता है 4-4 5-5 हज़ार में, और वही पीना और उससे शक्ति आएगी। मतलब तो हमारा ये मानना है ना कि जब पहले जब लोग थे तब वो लोग कोई प्रोटीन शेक वगैरह नहीं, इवन हमारे बचपन में भी हमने स्पोर्ट्स किया लेकिन कभी प्रोटीन शेक वगैरह नहीं पिया। लेकिन अब वो प्रोटीन शेक के बिना लोग जी नहीं पाएंगे, ऐसा तो नहीं हो सकता ना। सो मतलब हमारा ये बोलना है कि ओरिजिनल जितना होना चाहिए होना चाहिए। तो फिर इसलिए हमने उसको मना कर दिया। और हमने वो मतलब वेलनेस कोच ये होता है कि आपको वही हर्बल प्रोडक्ट वगैरह बेचने होते हैं। जो प्रोडक्ट तुमने खुद यूज़ नहीं किए, तुम दूसरों को क्यों रिकमेंड करोगे, है ना, पैसे कमाने के लिए। सो इसलिए हमको तो चाहिए था सैलरी बेस पे। तो ये इसीलिए हमने रिकॉर्ड किया, आप देखिए, बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग वो जानकारी दे रही है। और फिर लास्ट में हमारा उसका कन्वर्सेशन हुआ। सो यही था, तो आप देख लीजिए और समझ लीजिए कैसे भी होता है। तो अगर आपको भी ऐसे कोई वर्क फ्रॉम होम वेलनेस कोच वगैरह बोले तो आपकी मर्जी है, आप देखिए। अगर आपको ठीक लगे तो करिए, नहीं लगे तो मत करिए, है ना। चलिए आप वीडियो एंजॉय कीजिए।
She, what are you exactly looking at? Can you just brief me about that? What is it that you're looking at?
Honestly speaking, so I lost my job in layoff in August 2024. So before that, I have a experience in MNC company. Like we are working for the UK US client over there. So it is a healthcare domain, billing domain, and medical domain. Also, I have a experience in social media management and content creation. So I'm a good in that. But since that, I don't have any job opportunity in my hand, and since I'm looking out for a good opportunity where I earn something, or it's like actually I'm looking out something a salary based. But you mention in your chat this is something different, so that's why I'm thinking once we are after knowing everything, so it is a good thing for me to take any decision. So if you
Yes,
brief me.
absolutely. Yes. So let me tell you, this is a wonderful opportunity. I am myself associated from more than 4.5 years now with this company. I
Okay.
have my son who is 20 years of age. He's also working with me in
Mm-hmm.
the same company.
Okay.
And plus, this is, this company gives you the freedom and
Mm-hmm.
gives you the flexible time that you can work in your flexible, convenient time anywhere around the world.
Okay.
Okay. And
Mm-hmm.
again, you have to use your mobile. You can use your mobile, laptop, or computer. So it's
Mm-hmm.
not compulsory to have a computer. You
Okay.
can work through mobile as
Okay.
well. Yeah. And plus, there is no boss in
Mm-hmm.
this. There are no targets. It's not
Okay.
a target oriented.
Okay.
First of all, it is not a salaried job. It's
Mm-hmm.
not a monthly salaried job.
Okay.
Okay. But the income that you earn is definitely very, very good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Plus, there again, you need to be just 18 years and above. So there is
Okay.
no such restriction that you have to be qualified, you have
Mm-hmm.
to have experience, nothing of that sort.
Okay.
Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
let me just begin with the presentation. So my name is Roma Kamath, Minakshi,
Yeah.
and as I mentioned to you, I'm located in Pune, Lulanagar,
Okay.
and I'm working in 4.5 years with this company.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So just brief you. I'll share with you the presentation.
Yeah.
Are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Yes. So, welcome, Meenakshi, to Wellness Opportunity Workshop.
Okay.
Now, there are certain guidelines to attend this presentation. first of all, make sure that you have strong internet connection.
Mm-hmm.
Be focused and listen with an open mindset. Do not prejudge.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
just listen with an open mindset.
Right.
Usually, when we do this presentation, otherwise we have testimonies, we have guest speaker.
Mm-hmm.
So the entire session is of actually 60 minutes, but today I will be completing it in about 10 to 15 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. If you have no diary and pen, you can take down notes if you wish to. And definitely after the session presentation, also you can ask me queries.
Okay.
Okay. Now, whatever is your reason to attend this session, you are at the right place and at the right time.
Okay.
Even if you are a student, a homemaker, you are a professional, you are a business owner, or you are a retired person, understand one thing, that this is the right place for you and the right opportunity for you.
Okay.
Okay. So even if you are not experienced, even if you have no, business background, you can still be a part of our company, because we are ready to teach. We will be teaching you, we will be providing you all the trainings with which you can comfortably work with our company.
Okay.
Now, who we are and what is our company profile?
Mm-hmm.
So we are Herbalife Nutrition, world's #1 nutrition company in meal replacement and protein supplements combined.
Okay.
And our nutrition is supported by 300 plus doctors, scientists, and PhD holders.
Okay.
Okay. Our nutrition is consumed by more than 4 million shakes every single day.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now, who we are? We are a 45-year-old worldwide company. On 10th of November 2024, we completed 25 years in India. So we just celebrated our silver jubilee.
Okay.
We are operating in 95 countries. We have 40 lakh business associates and 1 crore plus registered satisfied customers with us.
Okay.
If you have heard of Bombay Stock Exchange, we are listed in the New York Stock Exchange. And it is a very, very big thing to even get registered and listed in the New York Stock Exchange. Yeah.
Okay.
Plus, we are registered more than 6 times in the Guinness Book of World Record.
Okay.
Now, who are all these people? You can take a screenshot of these.
Yes.
These are, those doctors, scientists, and PhD holders who have created this nutrition. Okay, they are the brains behind this nutrition.
Mm-hmm.
So our nutrition is backed by science and technology. So I will not be able to tell you about all the doctors, but yes, I would like to mention about 2 such doctors. In the second line, 3rd number doctor, Dr. David Heber.
Mm-hmm.
He has invented formula right from the tip of your hair to the tip of your nail. Every body part he has invented nutrition. Plus, the person next to him is Dr. Louis Ignarro. He has won a Nobel Prize. He's a Nobel laureate. He has invented a formula which prevents early morning heart attacks.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah. So that product is with us. It is called as Nightworks.
Okay.
So these well-renowned, doctors, scientists, and PhD holders are on our panel, and they are the brains behind creating this nutrition. Now, we have been the official nutrition partner for Olympics 2024, which had happened in Paris. Plus, we were the official partners of 2022, Commonwealth Games. Plus, we were the nutrition partners of 2021 Europe Olympics. Okay. So you can imagine when the government approves and provides this nutrition to the athletes and sportsmen, how good the nutrition has to be.
Okay.
Yeah. Plus, we have our brand ambassadors like the soccer champion Cristiano Ronaldo. He's associated with us from past 10 years. We have Virat Kohli, who is associated with us from 14 years. Then we have Mary Kom, who is boxing champion. We have Lakshya Sen. We have Smriti Mandana. All these sportsmen and athletes, their day begins with the good nutrition. And even if you go on their social media handles, you will see them all starting the day with this good nutrition.
Okay.
Yeah. Now, what do we offer? We offer a profitable business into nutrition and fitness. You can work in your flexible time anywhere across the world. Online and offline trainings and one-on-one coaching will be provided to you. You can earn American standard income with us. You will be getting personal and leadership development trainings also from our side. Okay. Now, why now? You must be thinking, why now and what is the market potential of health and nutrition industry? So I'm sure you are well aware of during COVID time, how people lost their lives because of low immunity, low resistance.
Right.
There were so many people who also lost their jobs. There were so many people who had to shut down their businesses. Yes. So, this is the, condition, this is the need of the hour where we have to take care of our health, and at the same time, we also can earn extra income. So, Paulson Pilzer, is a economist, American economist. And in his book, he had written the Wellness Revolution book. He had predicted that wellness industry is going to be a $500 billion industry in future. Okay. Now look at the right side. India is known as the world's diabetes capital.
Right.
Now India should be known for its good things, right? Right, like rich culture, heritage, traditions, or festivals. But today India is known as the world's diabetes capital. Plus, you have seen the increasing rate in heart disease. That's become now the next biggest killer. Even young generation, young people are also losing their lives because of heart disease. Yes. So why is all this happening? It's because of our poor lifestyle and because of, the poor eating habits. Yes. What is the reality of our daily diet? What we need to have in excess, we are having it in less. And what we need to have it less, we are having it more. Like sugar, salt, alcohol, tobacco, fats, we are consuming it excess, which our body doesn't require. But whereas proteins, vitamins, minerals, fiber, amino acids, complex carbs, phytonutrients, water, we are taking it less. Because of which there are a lot of health issues happening. Obesity cases are increasing, overweight cases are increasing. That is the reason, and that is the reality of our daily diet. Whereas if you see, there is no physical activity that much happening. It's just the food intake that is happening, but there is no burning of calories that is happening. Yeah. So let's analyze our present lifestyle. What is our present lifestyle? There's a lot of stress and frustration. Yes, nowadays you will see even small children are having stress and frustration of, their friends, then studies, teachers, schools. Yes, then excessive usage of tea and coffee, which is again spoiling our health. Then anything and everything we are using alcohol or smoking. Yes, then we are so dependent on maids. Yes, that one day the maid doesn't come, the entire house collapses, it goes ups and down.
Right.
Yes, then we are technology dependent. With one click nowadays, we get food at home, we get vegetables at home, we get fruits at home.
Right.
So there's hardly movement happening. Then again, indulging in bad food habits, sedentary lifestyle, sitting in one place and working. Then mobile addiction. You will see people, even if family is going out, they are all engrossed in mobiles.
Right.
Then inactive lifestyle. Even if we have to go short distance also, we are using a two-wheeler or four-wheeler.
Right.
Where is the physical activity? There is zero physical activity, because of which obesity cases are increasing day by day. So we have seen the problem, we have analyzed it also. Now, what is the solution? The solution is one and only, we offer cellular nutrition for a healthy, active lifestyle. And we have been offering this total nutrition right from 1980. And we have been changed lives. Now, what is cellular nutrition is? This nutrition, it gets into your cells and it works. And that is why you get best of best results. So we have products right from women's health, men's health, energy and fitness, children's health, skin and hair care, healthy aging, heart health, immune support, you name it, and we have the products for every single body part. Okay. These are the different category of products that we have. We have for healthy breakfast, weight gain and weight loss, energy and sports nutrition. We have for male and female health. We have for digestion and gut health. We have for heart, brain, joints, bones and eyes health. We have for skin health and children's nutrition. And we have a wide range of Ayurvedic supplements also. Now, when you join us, you join our healthy community, you get to be a part of our Fit Club for daily workout sessions, exercise. Not only you, your entire family can do workouts with us, and we don't charge even a single rupee. So all of you can be healthy and fit. Now, Meenakshi, if you take a club membership, yeah, or if you take a gym membership, on your membership, can you also take your family for workouts? You
Ac-
cannot, right?
Actually, I'm a two-time national weightlifter and I'm a fitness trainer. So it in
Oh,
my
wow.
past. So I know about this herbal things because in my gyms there is a session, particular session for this herbal team. So they are providing shakes and all, but they are not in an international level, but they are operating in domestic level only.
Okay, 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 okay. So this is an international opportunity. You can be a part of our company and you can work with us. And at the same time, you can take good care of your health.
Mm-hmm.
And at the same time, you can also earn extra income with
Right.
us.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And not only you, your entire family can be a part of our healthy community where you get healthy eating, exercise plan, you get nutrition support, you get personal coaching, and plus you get to connect with our healthy community. So your day starts with positivity. Yeah.
Right.
We also provide you with our online app, which is called as We Do Transformation app, in which we have pre-recorded workout videos. We
Mm-hmm.
also have healthy recipes. And plus, every month you stand a chance to win rewards and prizes. So you come with a before picture of yours, and what you get is the after picture. Yeah. These are our coaches who have won 40,000 cash prize in the December month challenge. So they have been the winners. And of course, how to join as a wellness coach? You will be joining us as a wellness coach. That is going to be your profile. And of course, there will be a sign up formality because every company, when they, have to appoint somebody, there is a signing up procedure. So we will also be providing you with a food license, that is FSSAI license from the government.
I
We will
have
be
that.
providing you with, pardon me?
I have a FSSI FSI license.
Yeah, this is for the company. This is when you're working with us, we need
Okay.
this.
So do
Like,
you charge for that?
yeah, it's 1,000 rupees we charge for the license plus six company trainings, plus
Okay.
your registration card and plus ID with the company.
Okay.
So for all together, it is 1,000. We charge only one time payment, that is only once you will have to pay.
Okay.
Yeah. Now let's understand the difference between traditional business and Herbalife business. Whenever, if you, even today's time, if you have to open a shop, you need a place, you need
Mm-hmm.
to pay rent, you need a staff, you need to pay maintenance cost, you have to have dead investment, and there is no support provided because you are the owner, you have to run that shop. But whereas with Herbalife business, you don't need a shop, you don't have to pay rent, you don't have to appoint staff, there is no maintenance cost, there is no dead investment, and complete support will be provided by the team. Yeah. These are the 95 countries where we are already operating. You can take a screenshot of this also. And if you know anybody in any of these countries, they can also be a part of our team, your team, and we can expand business together worldwide. Now, how do you get paid? Once you join us as a wellness coach, you will be getting all the 40 plus nutrition products at 25% discount profit. So when you join, when you start consuming the nutrition, you start creating your result first. And from there onwards, people start asking you. From there, your recommendation business starts. And that's how you start helping people and building your satisfied customer base. And you start giving results to people. We provide nutrition, workout, wellness education, and personal coaching to everybody. And to work, you have to work on have to update your status, stories, post, messenger. We will be providing you with all the material. You will have to use that. We will also be guiding you. How to generate leads also will be taught to you. So be rest assured, even if you don't know how to use social media, that training also will be provided to you. Okay. You also get paid for building wellness coaches team. So when you are going to build wellness coaches team also, whatever they are earning, you will also earn that much. Okay, so it is like it is not chain marketing, it is not quick money making scheme, it is not target oriented work, but whatever you get paid, it is all legal, money that you're earning. It's all white money that you're earning. Okay. Now, this opportunity is open for everybody. Anybody who is 18 years and above can work with us. Your professional background doesn't matter, your experience doesn't matter. What matters is your desire to live a better life. If you are willing to learn and grow and work with us, and if you have the ability to help people with honesty, then this definitely opportunity is for you. These are the 7 different ways that you get earned and you get paid through the company. You can take a screenshot of this. So first of all, as I said, you get 25% discount profit margin. So when you are retailing the product to somebody at MRP, the difference amount will be your retail profit. What is wholesale profit is when your team
Actually,
starts growing,
actually,
check
my
income from.
query, my query is actually I'm already told you. I'm looking out something for the fixed income or for the salary purpose. So I think this is a long process for me because I'm not having job from 9 months. So there is a something economical gap and financial gap in my career. So I'm looking out for something. You told me in a message there is a no affiliate, but here first we use the product for ourselves and then we recommend to the other one.
Even if you don't want to use the products, you can directly start working
Yeah,
with us.
but that's why I'm telling you, this is not work for me because I'm urgently looking out for the money because I have some financial burden on my head. So this is a huge thing for me. So I think I'm. If you have something for as a fitness trainer, or if you want to, I have that thing. I have a good experience as a fitness trainer and a coach. So if you require me, if you provide me something like that as a job so I'm okay with that, but not for
Work of
this.
a wellness coach and we have our fit club. We are running it from past 5 years. We are taking workout sessions for 200 plus people every day,
Yeah, so are
all
you
across the
providing
globe.
salary for them who is a fitness trainer in your company?
Get paid through the company. Why you need salary? You are getting paid through the company. Company gives you income.
Yeah, but this is the income, right? But not a salary. And the income
It's
is
not. I
generated.
told you it is not a salaried. It's
Hmm.
not a job. I that it's not a job.
Actually, I'm already telling you when I was working with the gym, so I was used that herbal thing, and also I a part of some. I think 1 month I was a part of that herbal thing, but it's not worked properly because my intention is different, and my thing is different because I'm not used any herbal things. I'm only believe on the natural source of protein. I only believe because I'm a weightlifter, so I know how the diet and how the things. So I'm not, believe in that.
So
And
you did not take protein. You never took protein
no,
supplement.
no. My protein is desi ghee, good, and roti, chapati. It's my protein when I was a weightlifter, and I have that all natural source give me that power to perform in the competition. So I'm not use the protein things anyway, and I'm not recommend anyway because I'm a fitness trainer till 6 year. My part time job was fitness trainer and a personal coaching I gave, but I'm not recommend anyone to that protein shake and everything. So I think,
That's not for our body. That's not sufficient for our body.
yeah,
Because if you're weighing 60 kg, suppose example, are you consuming 60 grams of protein every single day? It
yeah,
doesn't
but
work.
you're true actually. But if you are a poor background and if you don't have that money to buy that protein, how can you manage that? You
We
can't
are
manage
giving
that,
the opportunity. No, people can work with us. We have people from
right?
villages and rural. who are in the community,
But
how they are affording.
but currently my requirement is different. My requirement is just a salary and or is a earning. Means this is, this is something different from my intention. So I think I'm not. This is not work out for me. So I'm sorry. I'm
Fine.
waste your time.
Oh,
So
no, that's perfectly fine. Our
yeah.
responsibility, it's our
So
duty.
that's why I'm interrupt you because it's not working for me. And if you have something, a job related thing, so please recommend my profile. So I'll also share my resume to you. So if you have any known person in a company, if you have any friend who hiring or who working something in a company, so please provide my reference because I really need a urgent job. So from
Yes,
9 months
yes,
I don't have any job. I hope you can understand this. So
yes, absolutely.
yeah, so
So
please,
all the best, Meenakshi. Thank you so much,
yeah,
and I'll surely see if there's anything
yeah,
available.
thank you
Okay,
very much. Bye bye, take care.
bye. Take care. Yeah, bye.